this is the last flight. Plus, switch. Start down 1, alternator on, board. Wait for a close flight. One to 0, sure.
20 Romeo, turn left, taxi to parking, monitor ground.
Hey, turn left, taxi to parking, monitoring ground, 20 Romeo.
That's 5 to Whiskey, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
5 is to Whiskey, 24, clear for takeoff.
Okay, I changed my mind on the order. We're gonna go straight to Oceanside, so hopefully we're not there when Jin Young goes there.
Okay.
Palomar Tower, Cessna 40 Papa, we're ready to go. We'll make a right turn at the shoreline.
Cessna 40 Papa, Roger, you'll be next.
Close flight out, warm RPM, 75%.
You should note that the clutch circuit breaker is in. Did you hear me?
Yeah, clutch circuit breaker.
Yeah, so you should look, right? You
The
don't
red
have to
one.
touch it, yeah, but you should look.
Clutch physically, like this.
Yeah, you don't have to touch it, just look.
Okay.
Runway 24, clear.
Perfect, right, okay.
Okay,
75%, it is checked.
Time 2050 Zulu, wind 240 at 7, gust 14, visibility 10, view clouds 1500, temperature 24, dew point 16, altimeter 29905. ILS approaching east, landing and departing runway 24. Notice to airmen, use caution exiting runway 24 at Alpha 6 for a disabled aircraft in the runway 6 run-up area. Hazardous weather information for Southern California available on flight service frequencies. Voluntary noise abatement procedures are in effect. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Zulu. Palomar Airport information, Zulu, time 2050 Zulu, wind 240 at 7, gust 14, visibility 10, view clouds 1500.
It is checked. Orbit check. Orbit right.
Right now.
It moves. Orbit drop.
Pass right behind them.
Orbit check. Engine gauges. Wait for cylinder head temperature.
45.
I will cut behind them, and we will be looking for the Cessna as well.
November 474, traffic ahead and to your right cross. I'll be turning out in front of you to the north.
Traffic in sight, 20474.
Victor Whiskey, just keep the turn going to the right downwind, and then once you're through the pattern altitude, you can turn on course.
Roger, 5 Victor Whiskey, we'll turn course at pattern altitude.
You can do the mag draft.
Okay, mag draft test.
474, that's at 12 o'clock and a mile, coming through 1,000.
Left, back to both.
Traffic in sight, 20474.
Roger, thank you. Cessna
Left,
4,
right,
Sierra
back to both.
System's not picking you up for some reason, I'm not sure why. Stand by.
Mag draft test complete. Governor on throttle 75%.
Catalina, right?
Lift
Yes, sir, 40
approximate 1 inch.
Number 9 or Tango Whiskey, traffic speed cap on 1.5 mile final.
Passing 80. Governor takes over.
Look for traffic now, Tango Whiskey.
RPM 102 to 104%.
What altitude are you climbing to?
I'd like 4,000.
Warning lights out. Close to 97%.
November
Pump goes up.
5 is
Lower
Zero
collective
Whiskey.
for
When you
throttle
leave
needed
in,
split back to
2000,
75.
Frequency changes approved today. All right, 9 Tango Whiskey, 1 o'clock and a mile.
75%.
Thanks, 7 difficulty. We're looking for 9 Tango Whiskey. Roger, wow, it's like 2
Okay.
o'clock now.
7 map short
Ooh,
check.
I'm inside now, thanks.
The temperature was 24.
We go number 2, runway 24, quit line, 9 Tango Whiskey.
Gonna use
Number
22.7
clear to land, 9 Tango Whiskey, thanks.
as our maximum continuous power, 22.7 to 3.6 as our maximum takeoff power, to 3.6. Put this away, door, last, transponder, LT1200, cyclic friction off,
Staying down, you got the base, 20474.
then collective friction off, area clear, governor is on, RPM,
207 Julie Bravo, holding short 24, right downwind departure.
Altitude is 70 Bravo, Palomar Tower, Roger.
RPM 102 to 104%.
Roger, hold.
Warning lights out, gauge is green, we are good to hover.
70 Bravo.
Manifold pressure.
Cessna 474, expect a 1.5 mile right base.
Expecting a 1.5 mile from base 20474.
Too much.
Alright.
Kappa 56 Kilo, where do you park?
Can I go left on the
Oh, yeah.
What was our second?
Are you feeling the pressure?
Grab fuel.
Okay.
Are you feeling
Where are you?
like you had this much left cyclic in?
Yeah,
you
yeah.
see how it's shaking?
Yeah.
Vibrating?
Yep.
That means it's too much.
This help to your right.
Try
so
again.
If you want to go an FBO, they're all to your left.
Can I get to tie down?
Okay, yeah, turn left and contact ground. Tell me you want to go to transient.
Okay, we'll contact ground positive fuel. Thanks.
474, turn base leg now, runway 24, clear to land, caution vector 1, Challenger departure, prior to arrival.
Turning base right now, 24, clear to land, and watch out for the wake turbulence.
Okay, push back to the left. Where are you going?
Oh,
Stop.
push back to the left?
Yeah, and why are we so far forward, Chable?
Okay.
Right? You needed a little bit of left cyclic to maintain your position.
Yep.
24 Alpha 1 requesting.
Okay, turn left 180 degrees.
Turn left, 180 degrees.
Roger, stand by, number 2.
You need to maintain a constant position, forward cyclic into the wind, right?
Yep.
And then turn left.
Tango Whiskey, again, taxi back for takeoff. Taxi back for takeoff, correct.
Look ahead of your turn.
Tango Whiskey, turn.
Look ahead of your turn.
November 2, runway 24, taxi media member, remain on this frequency and keep your squawk code. Right, November
Right,
2.
you need to stay away from One Papa Bravo.
Yep.
Challenger 7, Juliet Bravo, right turn out approved, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, right turn out, 207,
Okay.
Juliet Bravo.
Go forward. Circle number 4. Let's go ahead and do a right 360 pedal turn.
Right, 360, pedal turn.
Okay. Alright, call for your Civic North departure.
Okay. Palomar Tower, helicopter 301 Romeo Whiskey at Civic parking request Civic North departure with Zulu.
After 3 zone Whiskey, Palomar Tower, approved, caution, all pat not flight, clear for takeoff.
Civic North approved, okay, clear to take off, 1 Romeo Whiskey.
So, left 90 degrees.
Challenger 7, Juliet
Go
Bravo,
straight ahead.
SoCal departure, good day.
SoCal, 7 Juliet Bravo, thanks.
Straight ahead. You shouldn't be turning left, Chable.
Yep.
No turning left. Why are you turning left? Like this is straight.
Okay, I'll maintain.
Okay. Your right skid needs to be left of the solid white line,
So, left, sorry, solid white on.
right?
Yep.
That's how you make sure your rotor blade is not going to hit. Your right skid needs to be left. The whole skid needs to be left of the solid white line. Okay, take off.
Take off.
Normal takeoff. Well, Civic takeoff. Go straight. Get some speed.
24,
Get some speed.
close traffic, 7075.
Get some speed. Goes up. Left cyclic.
Yes, yeah, over 20 chest. Okay, I use 21. North head, orient, OPM. Yes. North. To your left,
November 9er Tango Whiskey, do you want some time in the run up there, or are you ready to go?
Keep yourself in trim. Don't turn so steep, right?
I think we're ready to go, 9er Tango Whiskey.
So you can get
10 Tango Whiskey.
more altitude.
Roger. Are you flying back up to Torrance now or somewhere else? Yeah, head back to Torrance, thanks. 9 Tango Whiskey. Roger, runway 24, clear for takeoff. 24, clear for takeoff, 9er Tango Whiskey.
See how you're having to raise the collective a lot here?
Yep.
Do you know how you could have avoided this?
A shallow turn.
Yep. And trim.
Trim.
Okay, stay below 1,000. Speed up to normal airspeed.
Get up to no one.
You're climbing.
1,000.
0574 Papa Alpha, information Zulu, 9 to the north, requesting full stop.
4 Papa Alpha, Palomar Tower, enter right base, runway 24.
Right base 24, 4 Papa Alpha.
This should be enough.
Too much pedal.
Alright.
Over 4 Papa Alpha, runway 24, clear to land.
24, clear to land, 4 Papa Alpha.
Tower 9er Tango Whiskey, just advise return about 20 degrees right to stay clear of some clouds. 9 Tango Whiskey, roger, group as requested. You go to 4,500, or do you want to go higher?
Flying to 1,300.
4-5 is good, thanks, 9er Tango Whiskey. Helicopter 1, Romeo Whiskey, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 1 runway Whiskey, thank you.
29 Tango Whiskey, contact SoCal departure 1.
Oceanside Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 214-9er Zulu. Wind 230 at 09er. Peak gusts 17. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 16 Celsius. Altimeter 9er 3. Remarks. Density altitude 1,000. Oceanside Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 214-9er Zulu. Wind 230 at 09er. Peak gusts 17. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 16 Celsius. Altimeter 9er 3. Remarks. Density altitude 1,000. Oceanside Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2150 Zulu. Wind 250 at 11. Peak gusts 18. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 16 Celsius. Altimeter 9er 3.
Oceanside traffic, after 1 Romeo Whiskey and 3 miles to left base, runway 25 Oceanside.
Stop it, Jaewol. You're doing it way too big, and it's making it worse.
That's okay.
It may be necessary, but you're just doing it way too big and random.
Oceanside traffic, have to 1 Romeo Whiskey on 3 mile final, 1825 Oceanside.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right crosswind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Cable, what was the wind?
09er, it's too slow, okay.
Okay, governor's coming off.
Governor coming off.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right downwind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Oceanside traffic, helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey is on a 1 mile final, runway 25 Oceanside. Okay, your approach angle.
Yep. Escape.
Which pedal?
Left pedal.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right base, runway 25 for banner pick, Oceanside.
Take off.
Take off. 22 inches.
Oceanside traffic, helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey taking off left traffic 25 Oceanside. Okay, regular traffic pattern set us up for shallow approach running landing.
Shallow approach for running landing. Yes, here.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, final, runway 25, Oceanside.
Or 22 inches, 21 inches. It is good. Clear left. Or 21 inches. Oceanside traffic, help to 1 Romeo Whiskey, left crosswind running 25 with side. Clear left. Oceanside traffic, help to 1 Romeo Whiskey, on left downwind running 25 Oceanside.
Away from the houses.
Clear left. Set up for shallow approach. Oceanside traffic, help per 1 Romeo Whiskey, turning left base to final 1825 Oceanside.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right crosswind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Don't get any slower.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right downwind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Can I adjust my neighbor?
Yep,
You have control.
yep.
Thank you. I have control.
You have control. Pick it up.
Medical pressure. Mental shock. Outside.
Come straight up without drifting.
Yep.
Which pedal? Okay, look at the windsocks. Which way do you need to crab?
A little bit to the here.
Okay, normal takeoff.
Warning lights up. Gauge screen. 22 inches. Bit.
Now use the yaw strings.
21 inches. Here. RPM. Tachometer is failure. I have to
Okay.
monitor.
Okay.
Yep.
Crosswind.
Oceanside traffic up to 1 Romeo Whiskey, turning left crosswind, running 25 Oceanside.
Oceanside Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning right base, runway 25, Oceanside.
Right base. Oceanside traffic, help for 1 runway whiskey on left downwind, running 25 Oceanside. Right base, looking for traffic. Traffic inside.
Okay, steep approach.
Yep, steep approach. Step first, steep approach.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, on final, runway 25 for banner pick, Oceanside.
Away from.
You're just here, we're beaming the dam, we're at 8,500. We're continuing westbound.
Oceanside traffic, help from 1 runway whiskey, turning left base, running 25 Oceanside. The first steep approach. Clear left. Oceanside traffic, help from 1 runway whiskey, turning left base to final, running 25 Oceanside. The first steep approach. Slow down.
This is shallow enough.
Oh, shallow enough? Okay.
Do you think your speed is fast, slow, or just right?
This speed?
Yeah.
I think a little bit fast.
Yes.
Okay, I slow down. Frame.
You don't need these constant, like, poking movements in the collective, Chaewon.
Oh, okay. Just let it settle.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right crosswind, runway 25,
Okay, set it
Oceanside.
down.
Set it down. Set it down.
Okay. Normal takeoff and set us up for the auto rotation.
That's for the auto rotation.
You need to be aware of where that other traffic is.
Okay. Waiting for pressure. Then stop check. Watch outside. Warning lights out. Gauge is spring.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right downwind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Accelerate. 40. Frame, center line. 21 inches. Power is good, turn is good, RPM is good. Good. Force is good, it's good, RPM is good. 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 Oceanside traffic, help from 1 runway whiskey, taking off, runway 25 left, traffic Oceanside. Yeah, traffic in sight. Clear left. Oceanside traffic, Helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey on left crosswind runway 25 Oceanside. Clear left. 21 inches.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right downwind midfield, Oceanside.
Oceanside traffic, Helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey on left downwind runway 25 Oceanside. 21 inches. 3. Down.
Are you thinking about your timing with that guy?
I think I can. I'm gonna extend my downwind.
No.
Don't have to.
Up to you. You just have to keep him in sight.
Yep.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right base, runway 25, practice banner pick, Oceanside.
Okay, I'm gonna slow down and enter the base a little bit late. It's already turning base. Oceanside traffic, Helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey, turning left base, runway 25 will behind you, Cessna. Oceanside traffic.
Copy that, 45143. Oceanside traffic, white, Cessna 45143.
If you are so high, it's gonna be weird. Okay, that's low enough.
Yep.
So none of these collective inputs had to be this big.
I'm sorry.
Oceanside traffic, Archer 454.
Get yourself in trim.
About is 5 miles to the east. We're going to
This is not the right attitude.
head towards the coast,
Right.
to the field, we'll enter traffic for 25 near the water tower, Oceanside.
60 to 65 knots, 800 feet. Trim, Chaewol. Like this much.
Okay.
3.
Alright.
Almost
1
clear.
is
Gonna
yeah.
be fine.
2. We got enter stored. 1. Enter the auto rotation.
RPM.
A little bit high. Course, trim, speed, a little bit fast. RPM, a little bit low. Course, trim, RPM, low. 200. Get it good. 100. 50. Start flare.
Okay. One more.
Taking off. 21 inches. Fine. Oceanside traffic, Helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey, taking off, runway 25, left traffic, Oceanside. Fine.
Look, stop it.
You mean the pedal?
You do need to do it, but you're doing it way too big. And it's worse.
I'm making worse. Okay.
Right? Am I doing the same way you do it?
No.
4547 Foxtrot, 2.5 miles to the southeast. We're flying towards south of the pier. We'll enter traffic for 25 near the water tower. Oceanside.
Follow the downwind.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, upwind. About to make my crosswind turn, runway 25, Oceanside.
Follow that you're downwind.
Okay. Oceanside traffic, Helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey, on left downwind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, right crosswind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Right? It's not
Yeah.
arbitrary like what you're doing.
Yeah,
Like what you're doing is random. Like you're just doing this. Nobody likes this either.
okay. I'm gonna
You
stop.
need to move the pedals appropriately to make it as smooth as possible, which sometimes does mean you need to do the cha-cha, but you need to stop once in a while to make sure you're not making it worse. Oceanside traffic, Helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey is off left base, runway 25, Oceanside. Make sure you roll out. Oceanside traffic, helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey is left base final 25 Oceanside. So on 3 you're looking outside.
Yeah.
Area is clear.
Clear. 2, we got enters toward.
Okay. Make sure you're not climbing, you're not descending. You get over here, you get yourself properly lined up. Okay?
Yes.
We're higher than normal, so we're going to enter a tiny bit earlier. Okay? Look out at the far end of the runway and go. Collective comes all the way down. Throttle to idle, raise some collective. So, look at the numbers, look at your airspeed, look at your RPM. See how the airspeed looks like it's changing? But it's not. It's the wind that's changing. So right now you shouldn't pull back abruptly or anything. There's 200 feet. Here's 100 feet. Here's 50 feet. Normal flare. Look at the numbers 25. Start to raise the collective. Level.
Okay.
Okay, so one more. You set yourself up.
Set
So
up.
stop here first.
Stop.
Stop.
4547 Foxtrot, just south of the pier. We'll be entering traffic for 25 via the water tower. Westside traffic, Cessna 45143, downfield, immediately approach end
Take off.
numbers.
Modified max performance takeoff.
95 max performance takeoff. Warning lights out, gauge screen, 21 inches.
Westside traffic, it's Cessna 45143, turning base for practice Bannerpick, runway 25 Oceanside.
Paul, you're taking off. Paul, say you're taking off.
Okay. Oceanside traffic after 1 Romeo Whiskey, taking off, running 25 left traffic Oceanside.
Okay, so set up the straight and auto rotation.
Straight and auto rotation.
Westside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning final for Bannerpick, runway 25 Oceanside.
Oceanside traffic after 1 Romeo Whiskey, turning left crosswind, running 25 Oceanside. 21 inches, clear left. Oceanside traffic after 1 Romeo Whiskey, at left downwind, running 25 Oceanside.
Stop moving the collective,
Okay.
right? What
Yeah.
altitude do you need?
800.
So stop moving the collective.
Yeah, you're right. Clear left. Oceanside traffic after 1 Romeo Whiskey, turning left base, running 25 Oceanside.
Roll out.
Westside traffic, Dr. 4547 Foxtrot at the Santa Margarita River shoreline. That includes the water tower to enter right traffic for 25 Oceanside.
Clear left.
Oceanside traffic, helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey's final runway 25 Oceanside.
Base 3, area is clear. 2, we got enter Stewart. 1. Oh, a little bit here. Enter rotation. Go.
Oh,
Yep. Speed. RPM. $200. 100. 50. Flare. Look at the center line. And raise the collector.
okay.
traffic, Cessna 45143, right crosswind, runway 25, Oceanside. First traffic, Archer 4547 Foxtrot at the water tower on 45, entry to right downwind, 25 Oceanside. Have you in sight, Archer.
Okay. Go ahead, pick us up to hover, set us up for a hover auto.
Over 02. Waiting for pressure.
First traffic, Archer 4547 Foxtrot, right downwind, 25 Oceanside. First traffic, Cessna 45143, turning downwind, runway 25 Oceanside.
First traffic, evolution 469 Kilo Sierra is taking the active. It'll be a
Okay.
straight out, then a.
What's the process to set yourself up for the hover auto?
Close throttle, right pedal.
No. What's the process to set yourself up? Are you set up properly right now for the hover auto?
Headwind. Face the wind and at the flat surface.
And what else?
3 to 5 feet over.
No. Definitely not 5 feet.
Yeah.
Where are you supposed to be looking at to keep yourself straight?
The windsock?
No.
Right now, the...
Very well.
Yes.
What? Do you know how many feet you just drifted in your hover?
Roger 454.
Yeah?
7 Foxtrot turning.
That's not acceptable,
Okay.
right? This is where we were set down. You were over there. You just drifted like 10 feet in your hover.
You're right.
The process to set yourself up is number 1, to make sure you're into the wind. Number 2, make sure you are 2 feet high, about 10 feet back from something. Right? That you can look at to keep yourself straight.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143.
Say it back to me.
Field, runway
Okay,
25,
first,
Oceanside.
face the wind. 2,
Check the windsock, make sure you're into the wind.
Traffic 4547 Foxtrot.
check the windsock, make sure I'm into the wind.
Runway
2,
25.
2 feet over, and what's like 10 feet away
From
to...
something distinct on the ground, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Set us up.
Set it up. Waiting for pressure.
He'll roll off for you. I will roll off for you too. But make sure you're into the wind and that you're looking at something not too far away so you can maintain your heading. Okay, well,
Yeah.
I want you back where we started.
A little bit back.
Look at the windsock. Are you really into the wind?
Cessna 45143, right face, runway 25, practice Vanderbilt, Oceanside.
Like that red tail plane?
No. Look. Look at all the grass. Okay?
Yes.
This spot is flat. Look at where you are relative to those weeds. This is where you need to be.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Look at the windsock.
Roger 45.
What weeds would be lined up with the windsock?
5, Oceanside.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, final, runway 25, Oceanside.
That with...
Why are you looking so far?
Oh, okay, that one.
Oceanside traffic, Archer 4.
Okay, you know what? Do whatever the hell you want to do. Go ahead, pick it up to hover.
5, Oceanside.
Okay.
Like, I don't think you have any idea what 10 feet is.
Oh. No, I got it, okay. The 10 feet.
Yeah, get us in the right position. What about the windsock?
Yep.
This is too low. This is like 6 inches off the ground. 3, 2. Okay, if you're dying, you cannot do the hover auto.
Okay.
Alvarado in 3,
Yep.
2, 1. Nope.
Absolutely no. Yeah.
What?
That was awful.
Why? What happened there? Where were you looking?
I was looking inside. There was. I should have looked outside.
How far out?
10 feet. So I choose like that width. You can see that.
No, like this one right here. You see the one that looks like grass?
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Let's pick it up.
I'll do my best. Okay. Full pressure.
Oceanside traffic, Archer 4547 Foxtrot, holding short runway 25, Oceanside.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Why'd you lower the collective?
Oceanside traffic, Archer 4547 Foxtrot, take runway 25.
You pushed down on the collective.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning right crosswind, runway 25, Oceanside.
What are you doing?
More concentrate. Okay.
Okay, stop. I have the control.
You have the control.
Look, Chewo. Set yourself up properly. Look, this is into the wind. You see there's like 3 weeds, right? All in a row. I'm looking at the middle one.
Yeah.
Okay? 3, 2, 1. That's all it takes. What are you doing?
Oceanside traffic,
Okay.
Cessna 45143, turning
Look at where you are. Look at what you were beamed. Okay?
Yep.
Stay right here when you come up to hover. Do not drift forward like 10 feet. Okay, pick it up.
Get up.
Do not jerk it into the air.
Full pressure.
This is too high, and you've drifted forward. Ready?
Yep.
3.
Oh, yep. I'm ready.
No. This is where you're supposed to be. 3, 2, 1. You push down again. You pushed down on the collective.
I tried to grab the collective and pull up.
Well, you pushed down to begin with.
Yeah, maybe because my hand was going like this, that pushes the collective down. I'll pick it up again. Full pressure.
Oceanside traffic, Archer 4547 Foxtrot, turning right crosswind,
Full pressure.
runway 25, Oceanside.
What are you supposed to look at?
Traffic, Cessna
Wind suck.
45143, turning right base, runway 25 for practice Bannerfix, Oceanside.
Are you into the wind?
Yeah, this should be, yep.
Oceanside
Hold the hover.
traffic, Archer
Okay, let go of the cycling. Let go of the cycling. Let go of the cycling.
downwind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Alvarado in 3, 2, 1. You didn't raise the collective.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning final runway 25, Oceanside.
I only have the cyclic right now. You have the pedals in the collective, right?
And collective, okay.
Pick it up.
Sorry. Went full pressure.
How high? How high should we be?
2 feet.
Okay. Hover auto in 3, 2, 1. Keep us straight. Why are you repositioning your hand on the collective if I'm closing the throttle? You let go, repositioned your hand, and then that made you pull too late.
So the timing of pulling collective is...
To cushion your fall. So,
Yeah.
hands and feet off.
Hands and feet off.
Okay. Go ahead, put your hand on the collective. You're not pulling.
Yeah.
I'm pulling.
I'm just touching. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Do you see how I pulled?
Yeah. It wasn't not.
It wasn't like sudden.
Yeah.
It wasn't early. It wasn't late. It was timed with looking at something 10 feet on the ground in front of us so I can see how close we are to the ground.
Okay.
So, okay. Get on the controls.
Get on the controls.
4547 Foxtrot, turning right base, runway 25, Oceanside.
Okay, hold the hover.
Hold the hover.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning right crosswind, runway 25, Oceanside.
Are we in the same position we were when we were on the ground?
4547 Foxtrot,
11-4.
final runway 25, Oceanside. Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning right downwind, runway
Where are you looking?
25, Oceanside.
The weed. Middle.
What?
The weed. There.
The weed?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, come on.
3.
Keep yourself straight.
Straight.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
You
I'm an idiot. Yeah.
Why did you push down?
Oh, sorry. I just need more practice.
Three, 2, 1. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Get up to hover.
Get up to hover.
Oceanside traffic, Archer 4547 Foxtrot, clear runway 25, taxiing
Okay.
back.
Where are you looking?
The grass.
All right. 10 feet in front, yeah?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. What was that?
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, downwind midfield, runway
It was like
25,
this,
Oceanside.
and then... What was that?
I thought my collective raising wasn't bad.
It was late?
It was late.
Yes. Come on up.
Okay. Manifold pressure.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning right base, runway 25, Bannerpick, Oceanside.
at the windsock.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Alright, whatever.
What's that?
It was okay, I guess.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143.
Let's try to do another one.
Final runway 25, Oceanside.
They won't.
Yeah.
You cannot pick up to hover like that. Cannot pick up to hover like that.
Yeah. I'll
Okay.
do it again.
Pick up to hover. Look. Get yourself light on the skids. It's easier to pick up nicely because there's very little ground effect here. Look, eyes outside. The fact that you jerk up into the air is 100% you did it.
Yep.
Okay.
Waiting for pressure.
Get yourself set up.
Set
Tell
up.
me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Beneteau, you guys on upwind?
You keep on letting yourself falling to the left.
A little bit more right side, please.
Could you repeat, please?
Yeah, are you on upwind?
We are on upwind, yes, over the river.
Thanks. We're gonna go take runway 25. We're departing south of the coast.
Roger that. We're heading out to the ocean for the crosswind turn.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
My right pedal was really late and not enough.
Three, 2, 1. Pick it up.
Pick it up. Waiting for pressure.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning right base, runway 25, Oceanside. Sorry, crosswind, runway 25, Oceanside.
A little bit backward, where we start.
And not more and more left.
Uh-oh.
It's not flat over there.
Face the wind. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. Why did you put more at the end? It was fine, and then it started going to the right.
45143, turning right downwind, runway 25, Oceanside.
I needed the left pedal, not the full right pedal, but just with left
You
pedal.
just need to look, and just enough to keep yourself straight.
I'll try again. Waiting for pressure.
Push that traffic, Archer 4547 Foxtrot, upwind approach of the 5. Will be departing south on the coast, last call, Oceanside.
Face the wind. I'm ready. Oh.
Are we the right distance?
A little bit backward.
Okay. 3, 2, your seat,
Yep,
the
yep.
fact that we're moving around.
I'll stop it.
3, 2. We're not a constant height. We're drifting around. 3, 2, 1. Just needs to go slightly forward with the cyclic. Do not let it fall to the left. Keep it straight.
Yep. Waiting for
Alright.
pressure. TV.
Three, two, one.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning right face, runway 25, Oceanside.
Turning left.
Okay, take it up to hover.
That's the hover, turning left. Manifold pressure.
Okay, we're gonna do one more auto rotation.
What's rotation?
Oceanside traffic, helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey, taking off left traffic, runway 25 Oceanside. Okay, set us up.
Set up.
Straight in auto rotation.
Auto rotation set up.
Oceanside traffic, Cessna 45143, turning final runway 25 for full stop, Oceanside.
21. Trim. RPM is good. Power, speed, trim. Clear left. Oceanside traffic, helicopter 1 Romeo Whiskey, turning left crosswind, runway 25 Oceanside. Yes, clear left. $860.
Oceanside traffic, helicopter 111 Papa Bravo, 5 miles on final runway 25, Oceanside traffic.
Okay, you.
Okay, we're just gonna do an auto rotation.
Yeah, you have control.
3,
Airway is clear, runway is clear.
2,
We got enters toward.
800 feet, 65 knots. Rolled out, look out at the 25 and go. Which pedal?
Pedal.
Pedals. That's enough. Don't pull back anymore.
Yep. 200.
Hold it steady.
100. 50.
Flare! Yes. Start to raise. That's enough. Take off.
Take off.
Don't say anything. I don't want Matt to know that we're still here doing this the day before your check ride.
Traffic, helicopter 1 Papa Bravo, 3 miles on final runway 25, Oceanside traffic.
Okay, we're gonna go over that field and do vortex ring state and low rotor RPM.
Okay.
Okay, what's vortex ring state?
Vortex ring, helicopter in its own downwash.
How do you identify it? What's the warning sign?
Warning sound, the vibration, and the high rate of descent.
And your zero airspeed, right?
Yes.
Do you have the conditions?
Conditions. We got greater than 300 per minute descent and greater power greater than 20%.
All right, and you're gonna recover, right?
Yep.
1 mile on liner 125, push up
Okay, recover. We should be in trim the whole time. Okay, well, it doesn't need to be so dramatic. Where the hell is he? What the hell is he talking about? 1 mile final. Okay. Here we are, vortex string state.
Yeah, I have
Okay,
control.
so a little bit forward. That's enough. Keep it straight. Look at your yaw strings. Come on. Now, raise. Okay. Straight and level, 60 knots.
2153 Zulu, wind 240 at 9er, visibility 10.
60 knots, straight and level. Which pedal?
Temperature 21, dew point 15, altimeter 2993. ILS approach in use, landing runway 24. Hazardous weather information, Southern California area is available on flight service frequency. Voluntary noise abatement procedures in effect. Advise initial contact, you have Alpha.
Okay, governor's coming off. What's low rotor RPM?
Lower.
Stop opening the throttle. What's low rotor RPM?
RPM lower than a green arc.
Okay, what's the first sign?
Engine and rotor sound change.
Okay, so.
You're following ahead into your left, about a mile.
Okay, second sign. Second sign.
Second sign. The vibration.
What?
Vibration.
Second sign is the horn and light.
Yep. Warning
Okay.
horn and light and vibration.
Recover.
Recover. Open throttle, lower collective.
You're not back in the green. Lowering the collective more will do what? Huh?
Okay.
Chaewong?
Open a little bit more throttle.
So Chaewong, I don't think you understand.
Right down, approved, runway 24, 12403, cliff takeoff. For takeoff, runway 24, 6745 pop.
What's the first indication of low rotor RPM?
51 golf, base approved, runway 24, still land number 2.
The sound changes.
And the vibration.
Yes.
That's all the first sign.
Yep.
Straight and level, 60 to 65 knots.
66.
Slightly low rotor RPM,
Slightly lower. A
like
little,
100%.
little bit open throttle.
What? No! Give me slightly low rotor RPM.
Oh, okay. Close throttle a little bit.
Okay? Now, get us to 97%.
97%.
Okay? Now recover.
Recover.
Open throttle.
Bravo, right down, approved, runway 24, cliff takeoff.
There you go. The first one was not satisfactory. Palomar Tower helicopter 301 Romeo Whiskey is 5 miles to the north, just south of Oceanside Airport with Alpha request Civic North arrival.
301 Romeo Whiskey, Palomar Tower, approved as requested, Palomar altimeter 2992, use caution, helipad not in sight from the tower, clear land.
Copy altimeter and helipad clear land, 1 Romeo Whiskey.
Okay, go back to Palomar.
1 Romeo Whiskey, use caution, multiple aircraft on the go for right down departures.
Wilco, 1 Romeo Whiskey.
Vista 594, contact SoCal departure.
Contacting SoCal departure from airport. Good day.
Cessna 815, make left traffic, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
And 815, we were talked around. We were going to go to parking.
Cessna 815, Roger, proceed across runway 24 from November 1 to Alpha 1, traffic 1 mile final.
Over 24 November 1, Alpha 1, 815.
45 Papa, traffic 3 miles north of you, southbound helicopter 1300.
Look for traffic. 45 Papa.
5 Victor Whiskey, are you going back to parking as well? 5 Victor Whiskey, yeah, we're going to parking. 5 Victor Whiskey, Roger, proceed across runway 24 from November 1 to Alpha 1, traffic half mile final.
Traffic inside, proceeding across 24 to Alpha 1, 5 Victor Whiskey.
1 Romeo Whiskey, correction, 1 Romeo Whiskey, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles northeastbound 1,400, traffic 1 o'clock, 4 miles, time at 700, also write down departure system.
Traffic ahead at 1 o'clock in sight, Wilmington visual separation, I'm looking for the other one.
1 Bravo, traffic 2.5 miles north, southbound 1,200, helicopter.
We're on the lookout, 1 Bravo.
Which pedal?
Left pedal.
This is the 739er, Mike.
Left pedal.
Pedal.
739 Mike Hotel, Palmetto, roger. I have 9 Mike Hotel, then 2 Romeo Tango, and my list here. Was there anyone else living short? 1 Romeo Whiskey, the other Cessna, is heading to your right, a mile, 1,200 northeastbound.
Traffic inside Wilmington visual separation, 1 Romeo Whiskey.
Roger. Commercial 5 Papa, traffic no factor, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 5 Papa.
Which pedal?
Left pedal.
47 Foxtrot. If you want to stay in the pattern, you can make a right turn at November 2 and taxi runway 24 via November.
47 Foxtrot terminating.
47 Foxtrot, roger, taxi parking to Alpha.
Yeah, 47 Foxtrot.
Cessna Romeo, runway 24, 125, 0 at 10, clear to land.
Clear land 248 on Romeo.
This is the 5-1 golf. You're cleared for the option if you still want it.
I'll take the touch and go option. 5-1 golf, thanks.
1 Romeo Whiskey, traffic on the runway is going to be a touch and go.
Copy, 1 Romeo Whiskey, thanks.
That's the 1-1 Bravo, traffic no factor, frequency change approved.
Frequency approved, via 1 Bravo.
Final clear.
That's the 9 Mike Hotel, follow us on the go, right traffic, runway 24, 1220, clear for takeoff.
Traffic runway 24, clear for takeoff, 739er Mike Hotel.
Palmer open information, Bravo, 1250 at 5, altimeter 29903. November 5-1 golf, if you're staying in the pattern, make right traffic.
We'll make right traffic, 5-1 golf.
Clear left.
November 2 Romeo Tango, follow us.
What speed should you be?
Close traffic, runway 24,
Right now 60, and then
roll, 182
and base 45. Clear left. And I shift it steep.
Why are we like 40 knots right here? Okay, I don't really care. You shouldn't be climbing.
November 9 Mike Hotel, you're still following the Cessna showing right crosswind, they went upwind a little bit further than that.
Yeah, that's right, 9 Mike Hotel.
Half cyclic. This is too shallow, but your speed is high. Get yourself in trim, Chaewol.
Okay.
That's it. No steeper.
No steeper. Okay.
Didn't Nancy do this with you?
Oh, we did it together.
2 Romeo Tango, you still have the traffic in sight that you're following?
2 Romeo Tango. We just crossed about 4
Why is the cyclic just like...
1,000 feet at the end of the runway.
Roger. All aircraft use caution. Bird advisory is in effect. Birds reported. Departure into the runway 1,000 feet.
Look at your yaw strings.
51 Golf, extend downwind, follow Cessna 3 mile final.
Extend downwind, we'll follow Cessna 3 mile final, 5 will call.
Okay. Give me a pedal turn inside this circle. So get a beam, that stripe, get in the middle. This is where the middle is.
Yep.
Okay, it's a circle. It's a perfect circle. So that means every 90 degrees it should look exactly the same. Distance, height, right? So you have all the controls.
I have all the control.
Left 360 pedal turn.
Left 360 pedal turn.
So look back to your right and look in front of you.
Yep.
Make sure you're still in the middle. You said yep and you didn't even look. What is this? What? Don't say yep if you're not going to do anything.
We got an info on site, 5 will go.
51 Golf, runway 24, with the option number 2.
Okay.
So for the option number
Spot
2,
number 1.
5 will go.
Spot number 1.
United Mike Hotel, runway 24, with the option number 3.
The option number 3, United Mike Hotel, will be a full stop taxi back.
Roger. November 2, Romeo Tango, runway 24, with the option number 4.
Triple option number 4, we see the guy in front of us, we think he's in pretty tight.
The white circle should be inside the skids.
White Tower, Cessna 497 Tango Charlie, 3,000 feet over Vista, inbound with Bravo.
Cessna 497 Tango Charlie, Palmer Canada, right base runway 24. You're following the third aircraft in the north downwind. There being the numbers of 1,400.
Friction on.
Base runway 24, looking for traffic to follow, 7 Tango Charlie.
Then pull out the cyclic friction is on. Thank you. And then pull out the checklist. 44 down friction on RPM 70 to 75%. Governor is off. Landing light is off. Cycle pedal neutral. Friction on. Plug, reset and started. Carb it. Down and left. Avionic off. 2.5 temperature, wait for 2 minutes.
I don't know. That's up to you, if you remember. Right? Your hover auto, you can't do a hover auto if you're just not even controlling your position, Jaewong. Right? I tell you to look ahead, or I tell you to look at something and you say yep, and you just don't do it. If you are looking way too far, you should have no expectation that you can keep it straight. Because it's too far.
Yes, to be honest, I'm watching too far. So like...
I mean, I told you.
Yeah.
Right? All of you. First, what do?
Head into the, face the wind.
Yeah, like look around, figure out where the wind is from. Make sure you're pointed into the wind.
To the wind.
Right? And then what do?
2 feet hover and select the object 10 feet away.
10 feet back, right?
Yeah.
10 feet. How far do you think that light is?
That's like, it's like 30 feet.
Almost 20 feet.
Almost 20. Yeah.
So that's too far, right? The cracks, the corner, the little triangle of cracks, that's just over 10 feet.
Yeah, that's for the close throttle plus disengage. 2 minutes 39 seconds. Mixture pro. Mixture got backup mixture, ignition switch off, alternator off, wafer close light out. Bus light out, low turbo.